to feed the chicken? Nobody. Hello, Buccaneers. We are at the Ecology Center in San Juan Capistrano. This place educates, inspires, and empowers people in the stewardship of the environment. First, we're checking out the Visitor Center. This place engages the entire family in fun, hands-on activities that teach practical, environmental solutions.
I'm smelling some lavender oil.
Now we're going on a self-guided tour.
Don't get stung by any flowers. I mean, not flowers.
Let's go look at the water lab exhibit. Next is the food lab.
Mama! This is a lovely place.
This room feels like a little greenhouse equipped with an aquaponics system.
Well, look at the plants. Look at the plants.
Now it's time to visit the food shed.
Tacos.
Chicken! Bark! Pig!
I'm going to spin the wheel. Let's see the waste lab.
Who wants to feed the chicken? Nobody. Now we're going to check out the farm stand. Here you can purchase fruits and vegetables that's grown from local farms. We had an educational time at the Ecology Center.